Steve and I started a petition for what we feel is a superior EV charging standard. One that's easy to manage, one that does plenty of power, and one that is much, much cheaper than the other EV DC charging standards out there. Let me show you the differences. This standard is called the CCS standard. It's the plug that America is going to spend billions of dollars on over the next few years to install all around America. When you want to use the plug, you'll walk up to your vehicle, a door will open, and you'll see your charging socket. You'll then remove the charging covers, and you will take your CCS charging handle and plug it in. To remove the charging handle, you have to pull the red trigger and remove the charging handle. This handle is big. It's clunky. It's bigger than the gas filler at the gas station. I don't know how we've gotten to the future and we now have a larger charging handle than what I use at the gas pump. To complete your charging, you then have to put the covers back on before your door will close. Oh, you have to put them on in sequence or the covers don't work. Because why would you make the covers easy to put on? Now your door will close and your charging is complete. We come over here to the Tesla charging standard and we see something much different. You don't have to take off any cover when you go to charge. And the handle that you're charging with is much, much sleeker. This handle does 250 kilowatts of charging. And you plug it in just like that. To unplug the Tesla charging plug, you just pull it out. That's it. Here's the differences. This or this. This or this. Our government is about to install thousands and thousands of charging stations with this. This is a fifth of the cost. We're now planning to spend $5 billion on this. We could get 5 times the charging infrastructure with this. Steve and I think that this is the future. If you agree, please sign the petition. Please help America adopt this standard. If you've already signed the petition, please tell a friend to sign the petition. Thank you so much.